Red, blue.
Open it, Daddy. Open it. Ooh, what color is that?
Red.
Red? You like them?
Hot.
They're hot? Hey, they actually are hot. You like them? Are those yours?
Yeah.
They're yours? Oh, those are extra laces. Don't tear them off already.
Daddy.
Screw it, huh?
That's red.
Oh, well, we got strawberry laces.